Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off vibration on keyboard on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, if you are often disturbed by the vibration sound on the keyboard keys, don't need to be worried because you can turn off the vibration on the touch keyboard. And how to turn off the vibration on your keyboard is quietly easy. And so yeah, here's the tutorial and let's check it out. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do if you want to turn off the vibration of your keyboard. Now, firstly, you can show your own keyboard on your phone like this. And to turn off the vibration, you can click on the menu in the top left corner of the keyboard section like this. And then now you can go to sound and vibration menu on the keyboard. And then you can reduce the vibration sound or you can turn it off. And then so yeah, your keyboard will not vibrate again. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.